guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be cleaning the upstairs of my house, which consists of my kids' bedrooms and their bathroom. I have 4 children, and the older 2, they do pretty good about picking up after themselves, but even for them, that just consists of making their bed, taking everything up off the floor, and putting it on the flat surfaces of their room. And that's not quite how Mom likes it to be, so I'm going to be going in behind them and making sure everything is in its right place and exactly how I want it to be. I hope this video provides you with some cleaning motivation to tackle some of the messes in your home, but let's just jump right into the video. Let's get started. Alright guys, my younger 2 daughters share a bedroom, and that's where we're going to start out today. First, I'm going to go ahead and make their bunk beds. Here you can see I'm just going to go ahead and clear off all the surfaces and give them a good polish with some Pledge. We often get asked where we buy our children's furniture, and we have actually been very blessed that my father-in-law is good at carpentry, and he built this dresser, the dresser in my son's bedroom, along with his nightstands and workbench. Lastly, I'm just going to go through with my Dyson and give this room a good vacuum, and we'll move on to the next room. Here we are in my son's room, and you can see I'm trying to make it more of a Star Wars themed room. That's why we have that Master Ethan Jedi Knight sign that we made and put on the wall above his bed. See, I'm just going to do the same thing in this room. After making the bed, I'm just going to go to all the tops of the furniture and gather up all the stuff that they've collected and put it back in its rightful place. Something else you'll probably see me doing in a lot of the cleaning videos that we make is cleaning up these camp out cots. Each of my kids have one, and they love to set them up and watch movies or set them up in each other's room and pretend they're going camping with each other. They're very annoying to pick up, but I think it's cute that they like to play together in that way. In this shot, you can see another project that we've done recently is that Lego board that's underneath my son's window. It actually has lights behind it so it can light up and change colors, but he'll sit there for hours and just make Lego designs on that thing. Get this room vacuumed up and we'll move on to my oldest daughter's room. I'm going to go around and clean her mirrors, and then I'm going to vacuum, and then this room will be done. Ending today's video in my kids' bathroom. After tidying up their countertop, I'm going to go around and wipe all the stuck-on toothpaste off with this all-purpose cleaner by Method and a fresh lavender scent. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope it provided you with some cleaning motivation. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll see y'all in the next one.